Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the screen on your HP all-in-one computer. Before you begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Start by powering off your all-in-one and unplugging it from the electrical outlet. This is crucial for your safety. Next, lay the computer face down on a clean, flat surface. Locate the screws on the back panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing any. Once the screws are removed, gently pry off the back panel using the plastic spudger. Be cautious not to damage any clips during this process. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the computer using the microfiber cloth. This not only helps with aesthetics but also ensures optimal performance after the repair. Now, locate the screen's connection to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect the cable by pulling it straight out. Make sure to handle this step with care to avoid damaging the cable or the connector. If the screen is held in place with additional screws, use the Phillips screwdriver again to remove them. Once the screws are out, gently lift the screen from its position. If you're unsure about any steps or do not have the necessary tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, take the new screen and align it with the mounting brackets. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the cable to the motherboard, ensuring it is seated properly. Before reassembling, it's a good idea to test the new screen. Power on your all-in-one and check for any display issues. If everything looks good, power it off again and proceed to replace the back panel. Align the back panel with the edges and press it down gently until it clicks into place. Reinsert all the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. Finally, power on your HP all-in-one and enjoy your new screen. If you encounter any issues or would prefer not to handle the repair yourself, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring that no calls or travel are necessary. You can also receive a quote before repair, allowing you to make an informed decision. Congratulations on successfully replacing your screen. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.